So today we are going to see bridge rectifier circuit operation. So operation means what? How the input is given and what we are getting at the output side. So in previous video we have seen the operation of CRO and function generator, right? So here we are using a CRO and this is a bridge rectifier circuit. Okay. So please come here. So this is basic circuit of a bridge rectifier circuit. This is a very simple circuit. So these two are the input through which I am applying 230 volt 50 hertz, and this is a diode based circuit is there, which is known as bridge rectifier circuit. So these are the connectors. So why we tap this connector? In order to view the waveform on each and every level. Likewise, here also we can tap the connectors and we can see the output voltage. Here also we can tap and we can see the output voltage, and here the capacitor is there which will acts like a filter. Okay, and this is our voltage regulator circuit, that is 7405. So at max we can get output plus 5 volt. Okay, so if you make 7410, so that will be 10 volt regulator, and at max we can get the output voltage 10. So right now we are using a voltage regulator of 5 volt or 7405, so which will give a 5 volt output voltage. Okay, so now what we have to do is that, so this is our transformer. Okay, so from this we are readily we are giving the input here. Okay, so from this you can verify. So now, as I said, here we are applying 230 volt 50 hertz to the input of the bridge rectifier circuit. So output will get a what? Output will get a rectified one. Here we will get a little bit filtered one, and here we will get a final output one, right? So in theory you might have studied a lot of things. So here we will verify. So for this we required one CRO and this kit. This is our CRO and this kit. Okay. So first we will verify the waveform. So as I said, here we are getting a sine waveform. So when I am saying 230 volt 50 hertz, it has to be a sine waveform, right? So these are the two crocodile probes. Okay. So here we are connecting here to this terminal. Okay, like this. Okay, and we will do little bit adjustment on a CRO so that we can view the output voltage. Okay, so as I said, so we are applying 230 volt 50 hertz. So this is the input waveform which we are viewing in a CRO. For me it is viewing continuously, but in my camera shooting, so it is showing us some discontinuous waveform, but it is not a discontinuous waveform, it is continuously, right? So this is my input waveform 230 volt 50 hertz which I have applied over here. Okay, so I have tapped this CRO probe and I am viewing the respective waveform. So now what I will do, so now I am tapping the probes over here so that we will see what is the waveform we are getting over here. Okay, so this is what the rectified output of a bridge rectifier circuit, right? So previously we have given the waveform, we are getting a sine waveform. Now when we are connecting this tap here, that will be the output of the bridge rectifier circuit. So we are getting ripples. Okay, ripples along with the DC ripples along. Okay, so this is the waveform. Now again we can tap here waveform here like this. So here the capacitor is there. So we have viewed the waveform here. Now we have to view the waveform here. So for that they are internally shorted. So we have to short this here. It will act like a jumper. Fine. You connect this here. Now we will view the waveform at this terminal. Okay. So we have to connect this. Okay. So with a little bit of adjustment on a CRO probe. So what is the expected waveform we are getting from this point? It will be a